Golewadi to Ghera Sivhagad, an unforgettable journey in the lap of nature. In today's cement jungle, humans have become so busy building tall buildings that they have lost their connection with nature. But if you want to experience the true breath of the earth once again, then definitely do the Golewadi to Ghera Sivhagad trek. The moment you step forward from the Jnandeep Jan Kalyan Foundation in Golewadi, it feels as if nature itself is welcoming you. Tall, dense green trees touching the sky. Countless leaves swaying on their branches, a cool breeze gently flowing through those leaves, the sweet chirping of birds, and the fragrance of wet soil takes your mind into a completely different world. In the monsoon, white waterfalls cascading from the hills, gushing streams, clean water touching your feet while crossing the path, and rice fields dressed in a green shawl all around, this scenery is impossible to describe in words. The vast green plateau, fog-covered mountains, and the ever-changing face of nature at every turn offer a priceless sense of peace to the mind. In this 3-kilometer journey, the body may feel tired, but the mind becomes lighter and lighter. Every climb reminds you of life's struggles, while every waterfall teaches you to keep flowing. Every tree teaches that no matter how strong the storms are, if you stay firmly rooted, your existence remains strong. Even today, this hidden treasure of nature, known to very few people, is slowly changing. In some places, plotting has begun and houses are being built. Development is necessary, but it should not come at the cost of nature's breath. Because trees do not just give shade, they give us oxygen, rain, life, and the inspiration to live. Come, let's step away from mobile screens for a while and experience the true beauty hidden behind nature's green curtain. Because the real joy of life is not in cement walls, but in the shade of trees, the music of waterfalls, and the lap of nature.